Just watch 5 seconds video and earn $1. Subscribe to YouTube channel $2.50. Comment on the video $1. YouTube watch and comment $2. Hello guys, in this video I will show you fast and easy way to make a lot of money. And I'm not lying. Okay, at first guys, I just need to tell you that I already have a YouTube channel with almost 2 million subscribers. And this is not Photoshop, this is my real channel. But I decided to create an English channel. So I will be glad if you support me on the beginning and subscribe on this channel. Okay, to start earning money, you just need to follow the link that I will leave in the comments under this video. And then you immediately need to click on this bottom get started. Now you just need to enter your name, for example Joe, and then you just need to write your email address. For example, I will use Validity Shorts. After you need to create your password, then you need to imagine your nickname. I will write Joe, and you need to select your country. I'm from Ukraine, so I need to choose Ukraine. And lastly, you need to choose who are you. If you want earn money, so you will be worker. And after you need click I agree and sign up. Then you need to go to your email address and confirm registration on the website. Okay, your account has been activated. So go to the login page and write your email and password. Remember me and login. Of course, you can do it the same on your mobile phone. Also, you can earn money with your mobile phone. But of course, for me, easiest work on the laptop. Okay guys, when you registered on this website, you just need to click on micro jobs and find jobs. There is a lot of works and you can do whatever you want. But I don't recommend you do the work for little money. For this you need to immediately click on payment, and here you can easily set your price. For example, I set it from $1 to $2. Apply. And now you can complete tasks for the money. Of course, you can also change the category. For example, if you want to work on Telegram, you choose Telegram. If you want to watch only TikTok videos, you choose TikTok. Okay, hot offer, YouTube watch plus comment. If we do this task, we will earn $2. Let's do it. Before click hold this job, we need to read what we need to do. Okay, copy and paste the follow link into your browser. Complete human verification to unlock the video. Watch the video for 10 seconds and comment on the video. Okay guys, now I understand what I need to do and I think I can handle it. That's why now I hold this job. After, just go on this website, click here. Okay, now I found Facebook like plus comment. Click here, complete human verification, find the latest post, like and leave a comment. Okay guys, hold this job and then you just need to complete the tasks what you choose. For example, just watching and like YouTube videos, sing for money to another person, or watching TikTok videos. Okay guys, subscribe on this channel and in the future I will learn you even better ways to earn money.